Dear students, let us understand the first question from exercise 12.2. A park in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD has angle C is equal to 90 degrees, AB is equal to 9 meters, BC is equal to 12 meters, CD is equal to 5 meters and AD is equal to 8 meters. How much area does it occupy? So let us first draw the diagram. Now in this case we are told that park is in the shape of quadrilateral. We are not given which shape, so it is an irregular quadrilateral, has angle C is equal to 90 degree. Now we will take this angle as, this angle I will take as angle C. So it means this is A, B, C, D. Angle C is 90 degrees and AB is 9 meters. Then BC is 12 meters, CD is 5 meters and AD is 8 meters. Now let us join BD. Now to find the area, how much area does it occupy? To find the area, first let us find the area of the triangle BCD. So what is given? Write the given things first. So we are given the figure, then we are given in quadrilateral ABCD, angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Then AB is equal to 9 meters. BC is equal to 12 meters, CD is equal to 5 meters and AD is equal to 8 meters. So we cannot find the area since the quadrilateral is a irregular shape. So we have to first consider the triangle of BCD. In triangle BCD, so let us find the area of triangle BCD. In triangle BCD is a right angled triangle. We know that area of right angle triangle is equal to half multiplied by product of perpendicular sides. So this is equal to half multiplied by 12 into 5. So this is equal to 12 5s are 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30 meters square. We have found the area of this portion. Now to find the area of triangle ABD, we must have either angle A is equal to 90 degree or we must know the three sides. Now two sides are given. We are not knowing the side BC. So we have to first find the side BC by using the Pythagoras theorem. This is a right angle triangle. So according to Pythagoras, in triangle again BCD, we can use by Pythagoras theorem we have square of hypotenuse BD square is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining sides, that is BC square plus CD square. It means BD square is equal to BC is 12 square plus CD is 5 square. So this is equal to 144 plus 25, that is equal to 169. It means BD is equal to root of 169. Root of 169 is plus or minus 13. But distance cannot be negative. Hence BD is equal to 13 meters. Now we have got BD is equal to 13 meters, AD is equal to 8 meters and AB is equal to 9 meters. We can use the Heron's formula to find the area of triangle ABD. So according to Heron's formula, for Heron's formula we will need semi-perimeter. So according to Heron's formula, area of triangle ABD is equal to under root S in bracket S minus A in bracket S minus B in bracket S minus C, where A, B, C are the sides of the triangles and S is the perimeter, semi-perimeter of the triangle. So we have A is equal to, first side we will take 8 meters, then B is equal to 9 meters and C is equal to, we have just found 13 meters. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, A plus B plus C upon 2, that is equal to 8 plus 9 plus 13 upon 2, that is equal to 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 13 is 30 upon 2, that is equal to 15 meters. Therefore, area of triangle ABD is equal to under root 15 in bracket 15 minus 8 in bracket 15 minus 9 in bracket 15 minus 13. So this is equal to, let us factorize this. 5 into 3 is 15, 8, 15 minus 8 is 7 into 7, 15 minus 9 is 6, means 2 into 3, and 15 minus 3 is 2. So from the 2 2's 1 will come out, from the 2 3's 1 will come out. So we will have 6 root of 35. We have got area of triangle ABD is equal to 6 root 35 and area of triangle BCD is equal to 30 meters square. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of, therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle ABD, that is equal to 30 plus 6 root 35. This is a rational number, this is an irrational number, so we cannot do the addition unless and until we remove this 35 out of the root. So answer is 30 plus 6 root 35 meters square. So let us remove this 35 out of the root. Now to find the square root of 35 we have, I hope everybody knows the division method. 35, so perfect square number less than 35 is 5 6 6 are 36 and 5 5s are 25, so smaller than this is 5 5s are 25. Then this side we have to do the addition, this side we have to do the subtraction. So here subtraction, here addition. Now we have to take a number such that this whatever number we are taking 0 zeros. So if you take 2 zeros, we have to multiply by the same number to this number and reduce from this. So this will be, let us take 109 multiplied by 9 is 9 9s are 81, 8 carries, 9 zeros are 0, 8, 981. So it means it is 5.9 981. So it is 109. This side we have to do the addition, that side we have to do the subtraction. So it will be 9 1 1 9. Then we can take two digits. Here we will get 118 118 118. 2s will be 2 more than 2000. So this will be ones only. This side you will get 1181. This side you will get 1182, and here you will get 9 1 and 790, which is smaller. So up to 2 decimal places it's okay. 5.91. So root 35 is equal to 5.91. Hence, therefore, area of 6 root 35 will be 6 into 6, 5.91 into 6. That is equal to 6 1s are 6, 6 9s are 54, 5 carries 6, 6 5s are 30, 35. So area of triangle ABD is equal to 35 root 46, and therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 30 plus 35.46, that is equal to 65.46 meter square.